All right, we at the other scrapyard today. It's for our cans and bottles. I keep all mine because I live in the city of Los Angeles, and being in California and Los Angeles specifically, they love to tax the crap out of us. And in California, we got to pay for each drinkable can and bottle, plastic, glass, aluminum, CRV, California redemptive value. And I never want to throw mine in the trash. I'm just a cheap Dago Irish guy who says, nah, you know what? Every time I drink something, I'll put it in my side yard into a bucket or can. And when I get a whole mess of them, I just bring them in. And that's how I solve that problem. Doesn't make a ton of money. I don't care. It's just, for me, it's the principle of recycling. I love that. But I don't want to give it to the city per se, you know? I mean, if I paid the fee, give it back to us, and then we can do what we want with it coming back. So I use some good cans, trash cans, and some really good bags. So you can reuse that stuff up pretty good too. And this is how we do it, you know? And so I'll keep this flowing and going. This place, they always want you to divide everything up. Like any other place, but like the cans and bottles got to be divided up by color. So I'll do that and do my best not to drop any on the floor. Put the browns over there. I'm gonna hide a blue one in there. Don't tell on me. I like these. I'm not sponsored by them. These alcohol-free Heinekens. I don't really drink. I really don't. And I'm not against drinking. It's just I don't like the way it makes me feel the next day. And that's just me. I got friends, man. They can't have one drink, man. It gets bad. Alright, don't lose any. Alright, got my netters on. I can't lose. Oops, oops, oops. Brown with the brown. Come on, Grandpa, pay attention. All right. Man, I love these Cavita, but I'm trying to get my A1C to get lower. So I'd rather eat my sugar than drink it. All right, man, we're working on this. Thanks for coming along on the journey. Again, it's just something simple I do on my, I'm blessed to have a house in Los Angeles, and I just keep so many cans in the side yard for decades. I hate putting stuff in a landfill. This comes from my childhood, and a great way to make some extra dough as well. And we just get a little at a time, and it's been maybe like 2-3 times a year. And again, not a super ton of money. I think it's, for me, the principle of recycling. I like that a lot. And I think it's important. And I'm going to continue that, And usually I have a granddaughter with me, but today they're in school, or I'm off shift with the other one. The other one's still kind of little. All right. All right, Grandpa. You got it. Good stuff. Hit it all. All right, got the plastic. Get it all, baby. Topo Chico, man, again, I should get sponsored by them, because look at all the Topo Chico I drink. Good stuff, man. I stopped drinking soda, man, maybe regularly, like at least 15 years. When I had cancer in 2009, I changed a lot of things up. Don't wait to have cancer, kids. do everything ahead of time if you can. And one of them is we probably all have like too much sugar we're eating and drinking. That stuff doesn't seem to be too good for us. So I stopped that, but I sure still like that carbonated flavor and feeling. And man, there's nothing like a nice carbonated water just to help cut your thirst. At least it feels good going down, man. All right. What, Topo Chico? Little waters. Man, we almost got this. And I kind of. All right, man. I guess so. This is nearly filled up a whole container of aluminum. Not so much on the plastic. Got to make room for the Topo Chico without breaking anything. Let's go, Grandpa. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I can't. I ain't taking a chance on this out, man. Boom, boom. God, that's a lot of Topo. Love that sound, man. Almost as much as I love the sound of copper going in the container. Granddaughter had that one, the Momo. Let's see. I think that's it, Grandpa. All right, let's go roll it over, get weighed, get paid. The glass doesn't get too much, but at least we'll get our California value back. And I'll let the city figure out another way to tax me to death. I'm gonna start crying. Seriously, I love LA, but hey, I like the guys who sell food on the street. I like them, but some's a little wacky when we tax the crap out of the guy or gal who's trying to build an actual business, and then we don't really check in on the guy who sells on the street. Grazie mille. Anyway, that's probably above my pay grade. Get these rolled over. These guys are real helpful. They, you know what? I should be standing there counting every bit of it, but they treat me good over the years. Thank you, thank you. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. All right, so this is what we got for it. There's our prices. Cool, 32 bucks, and that's just, you know, doing that in the side of our house and making sure that we get to keep it for the next thing. And plus it feels good to recycle. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching this. Appreciate you. Catch you on the next one. Get out there, recycle, and make the planet a little better. And if you live in LA, they're going to tax us anyway. Keep some of that money for yourself. Bring in your own recycles. Thank you again.